This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Ensure the handbrake is fully applied. Then place chocks each side of the rear wheel diagonally opposite to the wheel being removed. Where applicable, using the tool provided, remove the centre cap from the wheel. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Position the jack under the reinforced section of the door sill flange, then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the wheel. Lever the caliper outwards a little to create clearance between the pads and the disc. Counterhole the guide pins with an open-ended spanner, then slacken and remove the upper guide pin bolt. Note that new guide pin bolts will be required. Remove the lower guide pin bolt in the same manner. Slide the caliper from position and suspend it from the suspension strut using a length of wire to prevent straining the rubber hose. Prise the pads from the caliper mounting bracket. Measure the thickness of the pad's friction material. If any pad is worn down to 2 mm or less, all 4 front brake pads must be renewed. Check that the guide pins slide easily without excessive play and that the rubber gaiters are intact. Clean the mounting bracket and caliper with brush and brake cleaner. Remove the upper and lower shims, then clean the mounting area on the bracket and the piston face. Check the condition of the piston dust seal. If new pads are to be fitted, the piston must be pushed fully back into the caliper body. This is best achieved with a piston retraction tool, although a G-clamp will suffice. Keep an eye on the fluid level in the master cylinder reservoir and remove any surplus with a syringe. Refit the lower and upper shims to the mounting bracket. Slide the brake pads into place, ensuring the friction material is against the disc face. Refit the caliper over the mounting bracket. Apply a little thread-locking compound to the new guide pin bolts, insert them and tighten them to the specified torque. Repeatedly depress the brake pedal to bring the pads into full contact with the disc. Repeat the whole procedure on the remaining front brake. Locate the wheel over the hub and align the mounting bolt holes. Insert and lightly tighten the bolts. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel bolts to the specified torque. Refit the centre cap and tighten the fastener. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks. Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Pull the safety catch release and open the bonnet. Release the support prop and clip it into the hole in the inner wing. The brake fluid level must be kept between the minimum and maximum marks at all times. If topping up is necessary, clean the top of the reservoir, disconnect the level sensor wiring plug and unscrew the filler cap. Add new DOT4 fluid from a sealed container. Securely refit the filler cap. Reconnect the level sensor wiring plug. Stow the safety prop, firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.